What's up, family? DJ here with SLG Sessions Lending Group. My NMLS number is 271823. Today I'm breaking down the new housing bill making noise right now, what it's trying to do, what it could mean for you, and if you're trying to buy, rent, building, or anything to do with investing. Quick note, this is for education purposes, not legal advice, and this bill could change before it becomes final. Big picture, this bill basically is trying to do three things: build more homes, speed up the process, and expand financing options. So, part one, what the bill really is about, right? Right now, a lot of markets have the same problem: not enough housing and way too many delays. This bill is aimed at cutting red tape, helping cities build faster, and updating older housing programs. And there is also an amendment version that adds an additional section focused on community banks and housing. So it's still moving and evolving. So if this moves forward, we could see more housing supply over time, but don't expect overnight changes. Part two, build faster changes. Here are the biggest build faster ideas in plain English, right? One, encouraging zoning updates. This bill pushes cities and counties towards zoning that allows more housing. Think more density, more flexibility, and fewer bottlenecks. Why you should care? Well, more flexibility usually leads to more inventory, which can help affordability long term. What are some action steps? Look at your local planning development department and check if zoning updates or faster permitting programs are even happening. Number two, pre-approved home plans, right? It's kind of a parentheses pattern books. This part supports programs where certain home designs are pre-reviewed, I should say, so builders can move faster without starting from scratch every time. Why it matters? Faster approvals, more builds equals more housing options. Some action steps you can take, especially for builders or investors. Ask your city, do you have pre-approved plans or a pattern book program? Number three, making small multifamily easier in some places. There's language aimed at making certain small to mid multifamily designs easier to approve in some areas. So supporters say it can cut costs. Critics raise safety concerns. Why you should care? That could open more doors for more duplex, small family style projects, depending upon your local code. Some action items you can take as an investor: watch local building code changes because local adoption is real key. Number four, speeding up certain HUD USDA review processes. Some parts are focused on speeding up government-related review steps and improving coordination with HUD and USDA program overlap. Translation: some projects could move quicker, which can increase supply. Part three, program updates. Home, CDBG, USDA. Next, the bill talks about updating existing home housing programs that cities and states use. The home program updates, this includes changes that could improve some assistance programs like eligibility thresholds and limits. Some action items: first-time home buyers, don't guess. Have us check with your city, state, and nonprofit assistance because stacking programs is where people win. CDBG flexibility and public land visibility. This section would allow more housing construction under certain rules, and it is also pushed for more transparency around publicly owned land that could be developed. What are some action steps you can take? Builders and developers, search your city site for surplus land, public land inventory, and housing development opportunities. USDA improvements, there are also updates connected to rural programs and repair support. Again, for some action items for rural buyers, ask for a quick USDA eligibility check. And again, you can Google that and you'll find that you just plug in your address and you'll be able to see if the property you're interested in is eligible. Part 4, financing changes. This is the part people usually care about the most, the money. Manufactured housing updates. The bill modernizes how manufactured housing is defined and regulated, aimed at making it easier for more housing types to qualify and be accepted. Why it matters? Manufactured housing can be one of the best affordable plays if your zoning and financing line up. What are some action items you can do? Before you fall in love with a manufactured home, check the zoning approval, how the home is classified, and if it's a lender fit for either FHA, VA, USDA, or conventional. They all vary. Small dollar mortgage pilot. There's also a pilot idea to expand access to small mortgages because a lot of lenders often avoid small loans. The translation could be a big deal for buyers in lower priced neighborhoods. If you're shopping for a house under $150,000, depending upon your market, don't assume it's impossible. Get pre-qualified and let us shop some options. I know here in Ohio, there are a lot of homes under $200,000 that are available, or even under $150,000, or even under $100,000. Some under $100,000. Part 5, VA visibility and counseling support. One simple change I actually like: the standard mortgage application would include a clear note that if you serve, you may qualify for a VA loan. So fewer veterans miss the benefit. If you're a veteran, definitely reach out to us, and we can walk you through the steps through your eligibility and find the best path moving forward. The bill also touches housing counseling and eviction support concepts for certain households. So the takeaway is simple. If this bill moves forward, it pushes towards more housing supply, faster building, and more financing access. If you want to help map your move, message me, right? You can reach out. If you're purchasing, if you're looking to build, if you're a VA veteran, if you're a veteran, if you've served, if you want to live in the rural areas, or if you're looking at smaller, mortgages under $150,000. Again, I'm DJ, Masters in Mortgages and Mindset. We'll see you on the next episode. Thank you.